Hi, this is weekend edition, October 17th. Been a while, had some computer issues trying to get them sorted, but either way, I'm back. So we had a hell of a move over the past 2 weeks from this low, basically. And this is the weekly chart of the ES, by the way. And we see that we need this 1980 to hold. We need some continuation. You see the volume is kind of decreasing, but we still are below these key critical levels here. Okay, so we just don't want to get too happy. Again, they could run it up, and that's, they're about to test this congestion area that we see that they basically broke down from. So again, if they continue up, then we look good. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that basically we know where we're going in regard to we've gotten above this 50% retracement that I had on here, and you can see basically from Thursday's price action we're like, whoa, it really, you thought it ran out of gas and then it's continuing break, and maybe taking some stops here, but you want this low of about 2012 to hold and then to continue. So we'll continue looking at that. You got the NQ giving you some good price action right now, actually. So again, it's kind of in that same type of boat to say, okay, let's see if we can hold above, and we're actually holding above this mid level. So um, the retracement is probably at that 61.8 fib, and we'll see how it goes from there. Again, you have the IWM, excuse me, IWM that is still in no man's land. It still needs a lot of help. Again, we just use some very quick and dirty analysis here, and you can see it's way below its 50% mark. And they had the same type of run up last Thursday, but they didn't have the same type of oomph the next day. So again, if they break these lows, you could continue to see down. But this is just some hard price action to trade in. We got the YM on the daily. Again, they're looking pretty good on that. Again, if we take quick and dirty, 50% retracement, you can see that they tapped it. There's one time here, and now they're layering it. So they need to hold this 16,800 level. Let's look at some names. Apple is sideways. It is actually painfully sideways in this pretty much ascending triangle type of deal going on here. So let me draw this one out. You can see that you have these lower highs, these lower highs, these higher lows. So it's going to break out somewhere, but you can see that the overall trend is kind of down, and it's been really been sucky actually. So that's not a technical term, but you can see that it's been, again, one of those names has just been sideways before, and now it's just sideways again. So you've had this movement right here, sideways, breakdown, and now you have this little descendant triangle. I mean, excuse me, this little ascendant, this triangle right here. I'm just going to keep it simple. You can see it's three-sided, whatever. But we got to see where it's going to break up or break down. Again, the August lows are, it just almost seems like something you try to ignore, as crazy as that sounds, because it just didn't seem natural at all. You have Priceline that has made a huge run from its lows, but now it's kind of gave a sell signal and ran out of gas. So again, if they can break below this 1326, that would probably be a good continuation from this sell signal. But again, if they break above this 1351, then you see that you still have more upside potential in that name. You have Amazon still looking good. You got Netflix. Netflix, got crushed. You had earnings right here, got crushed. It's continuing down. So again, I'm not any buyer of dips. I'll actually be more of looking for an opportunity for a retracement to get short this name. You had Google continuing up. They're pushing that one up very well. You had we saw this type of channel, and now it's being broken to the upside. And who else do we have that we're looking at? We got Apple, Google, Tesla. Tesla got beat up, and again, it's so right here. You got the sell signal, double sell signal, actually get in, and it pops down. I was very leery about people going short here. Again, you might say this is a quick little 1, 2, 3 bar pullback, and then you got some more continuing downside. And you can see that this weekly, if you look at that, you can see that they're holding these lows. Again, they're holding these lows, right? So you have higher lows still in place, but they just need to stay above this low, which is this 19, basically 195 area, and try to get back. But you can see that on the weekly time frame that it's been pretty much churning sideways. And people will try to find a pattern with that. I just say it's sideways. At the end of the day, if we're trading a weekly time frame, you would try to be trading this channel if you were even going to do something of the sort. So again, it could easily come back to this 1985 level, and then we'll see what goes on there. So again, trying to do a quick video now, try to see if this works. Computer kind of dodgy. Trading computer fine, but I usually do stuff on my laptop, so we'll see how it goes. And really appreciate guys kind of leaving comments and emailing saying, what's going on, I miss your videos. Kind of appreciate it. So I will be trying to use this to go forward. So again, take care and trade them well.